Yeah guys, so today we are heading to the Kiss Me Fall next to the geothermal plant where they used to have that actually, 'cause that's no longer available. And as you can see, we find on our way up a really nice hack plum tree where we have a small piece of land up here. And we're gonna enjoy some nice little hack plum and stuff now. So this is the road. This is the same road that you use for the Suffolk road in Suffolk. And you drive all the way up to the geothermal plant and you stop. And you have Sister Caitlin here right here. Right there. And Sister Rachel right there, okay? And over there you have Jerry. Jerry, give me one name, able to meet boy. That's it? Yeah boy. See?
Yeah boy.
You see when I think it be hack plum? Them is hack plum boy, hack plum. And when you eat them, you put them in the mouth like this, yeah. Ah, it's sour. Yeah, boy. We find some grabber here in a tree here. Joey, watch here. What grabber here? Shit, huh? Watch ya. Woo! Wow, look at this, look at this, look at this. Yeah. Guava, boy. Guava, guava. It's got a nice one up there, boy. Oh, guava here, watch it. Oh, wow. Guava. There, Jerry. I plenty to mind you now. What's all wrong there, boy? Pick them, boy, and eat them, man. Tao good enough. Oh. Oh, good boy. Guava, boy. Me got, you know. Yeah, guys, so we have reached not to the Kiss Me Fall as yet, but if you notice here, this is the main road. I'll show you guys what's going on here. So over there is the main road that we use to come from the dry river. This is the same road that goes all the way up to the Suffolk, but this is the one that goes to Kiss Me Fall. But what happened, my car is very low, so there are some parts can't go, so we normally park here and then we drive and then we just walk all the way to the fall. So guys, please follow us as we're on our way. And there's Rachel buttoning up her shoe because I don't know what she's doing for all morning. So yeah, we're gonna head on to our hike now. So follow us on our journey and we'll keep you updated. Yeah boy, we heading to where? Wait, boy, me not you know, as man, me not really sure where they come from, to be honest. Is that good in the Kaylan? Don't worry, you know, see you live and direct then. The blue maho, I don't see blue maho. You know what I mean? Oh, Jerry, it's like the last smile come out and go up in the road here, so? But like, I know wrong, say for go. I wrong here for go. Oh, but here no rich. Ah, nah. Maybe not say I could come park the car here, so suppose this come down and wash the car. Wait, about like a riverbed there ain't you, Jerry, right, you know? Watch, look always sun come out here, so. Yes. Good. Yeah, car hike, not you? So something to Jerry. No, no start. Where's the Jerry? You hear that? Me tell he said something in the he lang get them good they don't. Can't escape gates. Alright. People just love to see the mountain there, man. Let me show them the mountain, man. Suffolk mountain over there. Wow. Yes, Caitlin, keep going and going and going. Going down. Wow. Yeah. Jerry, somebody get a yam and planted it like, you know this? Yeah guys, look at this pool of water here we found here. So we have to maneuver it somewhere. We're not so sure, but we have to try and see how we could get around it. Yeah, so let's see how we're gonna get around here. You got a piece of stick, Jerry? Jerry, what about if I walk over the bank and go over? It must be a track, you know? Right here. It can't be so deep, man, because what? Them trees are not tall and watch. Watch where they Caitlin. You know what I mean? Oh, that way? Yeah, boy. We found a pool of water here on the road, so we will figure it out how to get across and see what's going on. Well, Jerry, try now. You go first. Boy, this is it. Let's go. Anyway, I'm now going to reach up here and go turn back. Even if I swim across the ass, I'm going to go over. Alright, come. Don't be afraid, guys. If you want to be adventurous, you guys gotta come, okay? Jesus Christ. You see how important the cutlass be? Well, if I don't reach a waterfall, I'll be careful. I'll reach up on a pool. You go make it in the deep. You fuck a wet up, Kayla, but that's nothing. Yeah, you have to walk in it. No, no, Kayla, just come, man. Oh, I must switch over, man. Caitlin, just come, Caitlin. How are you? I get your backside good if you there, man. Don't reach up, man. That's a he right there. Wow. Woo! Jesus Christ, dig up me here. Yeah, you see how easy, Jerry? Hey, they got left Kayla. That's an adventure you get, man, and I have you good. Grab again here, watch it. Grab.
What is one,
yeah, pick on you know. Pick on boy. Oh, yeah, get that. Yeah. Whew. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. Jerry, kata kau kan saya ni. Kau nak bantu ya? Yeah, guys, these broadleaf trees you see here, these are blue mahu. Blue mahu. Come all the way from Guyana. And this side, these are mahogany trees they just plant on here. Either if they plant them for lumber or they plant them as rainforest to attract the rain in the mountain, whatever. Yeah, guys. So yeah, we on our hike, we almost make it to the base where they had the geothermal power plant. We're heading there in a bit and we'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, guys, so we're almost on our way. If you know, this is the same main road we took that we came down. But when you reach here, if you're driving or walking, just remember when you reach this little fence around here, there's a small little, I don't know if it's a catchment tank or whatever they have long ago. But don't go straight because I think that carries to another part of the river or some government lands, etc. whatever, I'm not sure. But this is the one you need to take. You just follow this track while we're going down here and go all the way down. So that's where we're heading to Kiss Me Fall. But before we go to Kiss Me Fall, there should be another deep hole up, deep pond of water below the Kiss Me Fall. So we're gonna try go there first and see if we can discover it. Follow us so we can show you, and then we will hike up into the river now and find the Kiss Me Fall. Okay? Thank you, guys. Whoa, guys, look at this. No, Jerry. That don't think what already, that wash out. Wow. Guys, look at this. I don't know if you can see from here, but I want to explain something to you guys. Come here, let me go do the thing. So before, when we used to come up here, you drive to this road here, and on the right hand side over here, we should drive around, and there used to be a parking lot. where you can go and park and hang out and cook and stuff. But after the eruption of the last software, the whole geography and the landscape of the land has completely changed. Now look at this. This is like a big cliff here. Everything has literally been taken out. So you can see here used to be like a riverbed to walk over. Used to be a deep pond here, and here used to be where they used to have the geothermal power plants right here. But after the eruption, the Lahar or whatever they call it came down, and look, all these things, as you can see here, had completely wiped out, like completely wiped out. And the river flows and go all the way down. So guys, yeah, it's completely different than what you used to see before. You know what I mean? But we're gonna look below still to see the hike of the fall below. Not a fall, there's another pond below, and then we're gonna walk the river and go up until we find the other one. So keep in touch and we'll get back to you. Yeah guys, so we're gonna go down and see if we can find out if the pond is still here or not here or what. The whole place has completely changed up over here. Like literally completely changed. There's a, what is track there? Like we can't even find any track now. Wow, this place geography changed up here, boy. I don't even know if I'm in the right road, but let's see. Wow. It look like a yard, but I don't know. Yeah, people see footsteps inside here, so hey, you gotta be. Wow. Whoa, guys. Damn. Come to Kaylan. Yeah, guys. This is absolutely crazy here. Absolutely crazy over here now. Woo! But Kaylan up here mash up, bad boy. You remember when I used to come, it's so easy to come up here, remember? Chewy. Wow. Wow. Look at that, man. Follow me, Caitlin. You coming now? Boy. Jerry? I say road get shit in body as now. Anyway. And I reach and turn back. Me saw down here, look. Wow. Like I'm going through suffering. Damn. Wow, guys. This is... Oh, wow. Come to this Caitlin. Yeah. Damn. Wow. Jerry, this is absolutely crazy. Damn. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, well, sorry to say, but there is no pond now. So, look at the depth of this alone. Look at the height of this. There is literally no pond. So, a long time ago, just before eruption actually, well, before the eruption, right here, as you can see, it used to be a big pond of water, like a deep hole we call it. And they could have go on the rocks and jump off in the water. But look at this now. There is actually no more pond. Literally, there is no more pond. It's completely wiped out. What is Caitlin? It's gone. It's completely wiped out of here. So, just enjoy this little view. There's nothing much to do here. And we're going to hike back up the river now and try to find the Kiss Me Fall. So, until then, you guys have some fun while we are traveling around the mountain. Wow, I couldn't believe how this place changed up, boy. Wow. I believe I don't know how to come off from here now. And walk up and let's show up here, look. We'll make it, man. Boy, I couldn't believe this. So Jerry, I mean, he'll actually take over all the thing, you know? Yeah. Give roll here. Think I'll find a truck here. See, I saw what? Don't know. Boy. Wow. Everything changed up, Caitlin, eh? Everything, boy. Wow. Everything changed up here, man. Completely. But we are heading to the falls still. Up there. Go. Oh, so we have to cross this river now and go up. Like we have to cross this river and go over, you know what I mean? You're not bad, man. Wow. How we go across? Up this up. Let's go over. Yeah, up here look easier so. Yeah, look, you go over first, Jerry. I'm going to walk in the water, we're going to walk in the water in any case.
Very far.
But you can't up there, so go in there, that's it. You want to walk with me in here? There we go. Well, let me try it. Up on the bank here and go with me.
Yeah,
I don't know. But I think if we go over here, easier, you know.
it's going to be less to the grass.
But I don't know. I know you do. Yeah. Joey, you go over first, right? Yeah, and test the water this to palm me a jump. If you good. Let me go jump. Tell me not just want to jump, I mean, you know what I mean? You could jump there? Alright. Jerry say walk in the water. Let me go back. Hey, long go back again. You say walk in the water, buddy. We say just walk in the water, eh? I walk up every water, we are rast. Eh? Yeah. The kite time, eh? Wow. Right. Now go quick and get out of the mountain, boy, eh, Jerry? Now go quick, go out, drone shot and get out of the mountain, is it, Rachel? Boy. Wow. This place completely transformed, boy. Yeah. Wow. Boy, I don't even know how to tell you how to set up. Come me last. Done me done. Simple as that. Lawang ka sa talamang sinabay ka, Chris boy. You make it, you make it. All right. Wow, Jerry, it's a serious thing they have to do now. Just walk away. Take a time, Ketan, come. Me hold your hand. When you're walking in water, don't stop, eh? Cause it's on a move, just keep walking. Yeah, seriously, just keep walking. See, just keep walking, yeah. I better how. You know what I mean, Jerry? Cause it's on a move. Just keep walking, Rachel. When I'm crossing over. I'm almost reached, man. Now go up the quick, go out steps and get out of the mountain, is it? Watch out, they have your choose come and suffer. Yeah guys, the river is coming down, but we're still trying to do this just for you. Ready? Me too, what? What are you gonna do? You start that now. Wow. Please completely change up, boy, Jerry. There used to be a dam over there, no? A dam, remove the dam clean, boy. Wow. Yeah guys, so over there on that side the river has come because there's two rivers here. One goes this way, but we're gonna go on this side of the river, this other one, and this is gonna take us up to the Kiss Me Fall up there. So we want to go and explore it and see how it looks like, guys. So stay with us, guys, we're almost there. Look at the Kiss Me Fall up there. You can see it from here now. You can start seeing it from here. We are almost there, people. Very careful here, boy. You're so bad. Just follow me here. Go from the back side, right? Yeah, guys, look at that. We are here at the Kiss Me Fall. Okay, keep fall up there. I come, come, the man. All right. Woo. Yeah, guys, look at that beautiful view, man. And it's extremely heavy today at the Kiss Me Fall. It's like extremely heavy, guys. It's amazing here. Which can you say happen? The river come down, but this one ain't come down. So you can swim here if you want. Okay, lands. I have you on the video today. Oh boy, I hope I block up the backside. Kind of big. Yeah, boy. Wow. Whoa. Wow. It's extremely heavy today. Like extremely heavy. Boy, I have this never seen it. I want it come down already and you can see what. Wow. Yeah guys, you heard the sound of that waterfall up there? Well, that is what we call the Kiss Me Waterfall! Wow, I've never seen... Kaylan, is it first me ever see this fall so heavy? Wow! Wow! Listen, if we go up here. Oh boy. It's hard, you know, man. So now we go up here now. I go block my ass. Do I help? Whoa, Kaylan. Look at the transformation of this place. Will you see why I help? No, come. Wow. Whoa, whoa! Look at that, people! Yo! Look behind of me there, man! Kiss me fall, me say! Jerry, I have this never seen it. Woo! Mother, you have you now? Whoa! Yeah! Wow! This is beautiful today, man. This is absolutely insane. Like absolutely insane. But here, Jerry. Let the ass come down ready to the you know. Because Mr. Water tear out all your stuff. Wow. Yeah guys, look at that. Guys, look at that. That is the Kiss Me Fall. Located next to the Georgetown plant we have in Georgetown Mountain. I'll come. Whoa. I've never seen nothing like this in my life. So guys, we can't go to the top today because it's extremely heavy today. Look at this. Like, extremely heavy. I've never seen this thing so heavy in my life. Wow. Like really, 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 really heavy. Damn. This is absolutely insane. Come up, Rachel. I'm with Jerry. Yep. Yep, yep. Yep. This is absolutely crazy, man. Look at that. So guys, this is the falls of Kiss Me Fall. Wow. Guys, you can see me behind of me. That is the Kiss Me Fall. We can't do any more hiking today because there's a lot of rain in the mountain and maybe that river gonna come down again. So we can't do anything much more. But I hope you enjoyed this little clip of the Kiss Me Fall. Look at it again one more time before we finish this video. Wow. Wow, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. So yeah guys, we have make it back safe from our trip from Kiss Me Falls. It was very adventurous, but as we were coming out the mountain, the rain started coming down and then the river came down, but we had to hustle to get out the mountain, but we are safe. Thank you guys again, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my channel. See you in the next upcoming video.